Your car's not working?
No,
No?
it's working.
Why you lie to us like that?
It's just, my car's a trailer queen. It's on the trailer. I unstrapped it, I pretended to drive, and now I'm here, and now I'm not.
Alright, so we're here at Grange for the Zociety.
Zociety.
You do it.
Zociety.
I'm not good with these things. We're here with Lance.
What's up?
Lance, what up, man?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are here with Zociety. Zociety threw a really quick track day together for their sponsored drivers. So we're out here at Apple Valley Speedway today with them. I actually have to be somewhere at 1:30, so we got here first thing in the morning. I'm actually not late for once. We got here at 7:45, so I'm already here. My car's already unstrapped out of the trailer. I'm gonna drive for 2.5 hours, and then we're gonna head out because I got somewhere to be. So
Where do you gotta be?
I don't know.
Where are you going? What are you doing today?
I'm just, I don't know. See, I'm prepared, but he's prepared.
Really prepared. Oh, he's got the real deal. Look at that. What's up, man? Thanks for the help. What do you think, Lance?
I think, having to charge batteries the first part of being prepared out here, I guess.
It's kind of like when you start your day.
Yeah.
You gotta charge the batteries.
You gotta charge the battery, you gotta start it up, one time for people.
One time.
One time. And then the rest of the day is easy. Once you get it started up that first time, it'll be alright.
The rest of the day is gonna be easy, Bree.
Is it? Take the entire thing off and take it apart, but we only have an hour and a half left anyway, so probably just gonna send it like this. It's just harder to drive, but it's whatever. I mean, it's the same as it was before it was tuned.
Get a standalone ECU, they said.
That's what they said, and look at me, still here underneath my car. My power steering fluid is still leaking. We tried to solve it yesterday and it obviously didn't work, so whatever. We ain't got no power steering, but it's fine. Big guns out here. My car's running hot. It's I started it up, it was at 162 and it's been climbing and all we're doing is just idling. So I just have to pay really close attention, but we're gonna send it.
What happened?
Oh my God. There is literally metal shavings right there by my dipstick. No.
Time to pack it up. What's going on, Lance?
Well, judging by Bree's face, I'd say it's not good. What's going on, Bree?
I think I just blew my freaking head gasket right now.
Let's go check out Bree. Rocking the rear bash bar. What's going on, Bree?
I think I just blew my head gasket. I'm not kidding. I swear to God.
Ends live.
Yo, I'm so upset right now. Tell me those aren't metal shavings right there by the By the dipstick.
I was like, I just got here, I was like, I'm just gonna sit right now. Alright guys, got a little, trying to find out what's going on here.
I'm really not happy.
Not the heavy ass.
I think I'm right. Because it's dripping further back. I think I'm right. I hope I'm not, but I think I'm right. I'm gonna get a jack pan so I don't die underneath here.
You going in?
I'm going in here.
What you see?
Good news is I don't know if it's my head gasket, but bad news is that my oil pan is definitely leaking. It's leaking from the back a lot. This is where, so I checked this side because the dipstick is on this side, and this is where oil could escape because there's obviously a hole right there for the dipstick to go into. So that's the side that's wet to my immediate attention, but load my car. The only real way to check is going to be to freaking looking at the coolant. That's the only way that I'm really going to know. And then at that point, is it worth it? Or do I check it when it's in a decent location and I can actually do something about it?
You should probably pack up and go. Check it out.
Is this a to be continued?
What?
Continue.
This might be a to be continued.
Yeah.
All
Might
right.
as well like take it to a spot where it's chill.
I mean,
Yep.
like, okay.
You're not gonna be able to fix it right.
I mean, that's the thing too. Is like, what did I just solve besides confirming that that my head gasket is blown? So there's really no point in checking it right now.
Day 2.
Jeez, welcome back.
Welcome back, Cam. Come here. Come here,
It's a
Fufa.
cameo.
Cam is here. Hi. Welcome back to part 2 of the to be continued episode from the Zociety track day. I brought my car to my dad's house to assess the damage. It's raining, but I'm here anyway.
It's really raining.
It's really raining outside.
Jeez.
But I want to drive tomorrow. I got invited to drive Adams Motorsports Park tomorrow, so I wanted to come over here and see what's wrong with my car and see if I can possibly drive it tomorrow and maybe this weekend. So I brought the car to my dad's house. He's got much more experience with this kind of stuff than I do, so he's going to come outside really quick. There he is.
Oh, it's raining. Oh.
Hey, it's raining, kids.
Yeah. But I want to drive tomorrow.
Copy that.
It's raining.
All right, well, we'll check it out.
Don't you love the garage situation that we have here?
Oh, yeah. Well, the Corvette's in the garage.
That's what matters.
Oh,
This is how he treats me. This is why my car was built in the backyard.
you know, who was I,
It's really
who was I
raining.
thinking of here?
Anyway, we're going to figure out what's wrong with the car today, hopefully. And
Before
then
the camera
hopefully I
gets
can
fucked.
Yeah, it's raining
drive
out.
tomorrow.
Look at the sky.
I don't want to. You can see it in my glasses. Do you see? It's like really raining.
Well, maybe we can pull the Corvette out of the garage. That's the difference between sponsorship and not being sponsored. I'm not sponsored, so I don't care.